Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It's a windy morning here in Norden, and we're just making coffee, morning coffee, and I forgot my bacon at home. So I think it's going to be mac and cheese for breakfast, or just beans and bread. We will see, but we're going to have ourselves a cup of coffee in the morning, wake up, pack down the camp, and head off again. And hello. Morning, Glory. We got fresh coffee. Yeah, we will talk to you when we're on the bikes again. So me and my brother taking a long ride, 250, 300 k's today, and it's blowing a lot. This took its time, but we're ready to head off. So yeah, watch the intro. Really tired after taking down camp. It's blowing a lot. You can tell by my breathing that it's it's been a tough morning. When you try to pack down in your bags again, in your luggage, it seems you have even more with you. You just have to put everything inside, no organization at all, and just head off. Ooh. Yeah, but finally on the road. Oh, I'm tired. Ooh. That was an effort to put up camp today. Put down camp today, I mean. And we're gonna find a place to eat breakfast, because couldn't eat breakfast at the campsite because all the wind. But we're gonna find a nice calm spot to have breakfast. Oh, that was a tough morning. But it was a little bit cold in the tent last night, but we managed. We had a really nice time last night. Drank lots of beer, got to make a fire, and yeah, had a really good time. Is 8 degrees. 8 degrees. That's not much. We need food. We need food. I'm so damn hungry. I think we're gonna have mac and cheese. I forgot the bacon. Yoo-hoo. Hey, a deer! Did you see that? Hey! Have a nice day today. I could do without this wind. Yeah, it's time for breakfast. And it's blowing a lot, so we're just gonna make mac and cheese. Try to go to the store a little bit later, but it's a windy day. It's a very windy day, and don't know where we're gonna end up today, but now we're gonna take a right just up the road here, and we're gonna find a nice place to stop to have lunch, and we're gonna find out where we're gonna stay today. And maybe there are some unpaved roads in between, but now we're gonna enjoy ourselves with some nice mac and cheese. So yeah. Ooh, it's windy. Breakfast done. It's blowing a lot. Oh. So we decided where we're going to go today. We're going to rent a cabin because it's too much wind to be camping now. Just annoying, and you can't sit outside. So yeah, we're caving in, as they say. We're going to admit defeat and rent a cabin if the campsite is open. Look at this landscape. Woohoo! Cows, cows, cows. Espen's soda fell over and he went to grab it, and when he did that, his food tipped over and right in his lap. Oh, that was epic. Beautiful. It's beautiful here in Norway. The trees are swaying in the wind. There's a lot of noise. I said that probably 10 times already on this vid, but give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and ding the bell. Oh, the dust, the dust. That house needs a little bit of maintenance. There are some beautiful places and there are some ugly places. There's a lot of gravel here. This is almost a gravel road. Big view on my right. Battery time again. Nice view behind those trees. We are synced up again. Oh. Second gear. I'm so sick of snow. Hopefully the road will be open all the way. I don't know how high we are now, but we can't be more than 600-700 meters, and there is a lot of snow. Like you see, it's 5 degrees up here, so the snow isn't melting that fast, but it's nice. So we're going on holiday in Norway. Don't come here in April. Wait until middle of May, end of May. Pretty cold up here. Adventure riding. I think we took a wrong turn up here, Espen. We took a wrong turn. Just stop for a minute, I have to do something with my jacket. Yeah, this was a pretty place. Oh, thing with my... There we go. This is a remote place to live. But it is really beautiful up here. This is the right place to go. This road is not for lorries. Look at that. Woohoo! We should have brought our snowboards, bro. Should have brought our snowboards. Look at that. Beautiful. Nice, nice, nice. Good choice of roads, Espen. Good choice of roads. That's pretty awesome. This is cool. Water goes under the road. Taking some pictures. I'm going to take a picture of my brother. 1, 2, 3. Use this opportunity to change some batteries. It's not that warm, but the landscape is awesome. Yeah, we're off again. Off again. This is a narrow road. Luckily for us, not much traffic. Yeah, nice stretch of tarmac. Awesome. See here. Oh, we're right, left. Not much water in it now, but cool waterfall. That waterfall. Whoa! Look at that! I don't even say you can see it on the GoPro, but cool waterfall. Really cool waterfall. Jesus! Look what lies in front here, my microphones. Jesus! First Jesus of the day, but that isn't good, Thomas. If you lost those, that's like they are expensive. The faff. The faff. Lucky. I haven't noticed it. It was lying right there. We go down by the river. Do, 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 do. Imagine living here. Huh? This is an awesome place. Nice. I could live there. I could. Really could. Logistic wise. Hard word again. A nightmare, but in the summer, yeah, less and less snow. Coming further south. This is the nicest place I know about. This place is beautiful. But this is a beautiful small community. We're going to take a short stop in Jøvdal, have a coffee, and I think we're going to take that coffee inside because it is blowing a lot still. Yeah, time for a coffee break. That was a nice stretch. Enjoy that. Coffee. Yeah, nice cup of coffee in the grocery store at Jøvdal. They're real kind here. So, and I also booked us a cabin for the night. Found a place that has cheap cabins, so we're not tenting tonight, but we are staying in a cozy little cabin. So that's good. It was real cheap, that cabin too. Outside Evje, and it's 28 euros. That's real cheap. The only thing we gotta do now is to buy beer before 6 o'clock, and also some dinner. It was so good with a bed tonight. If it haven't been that much wind, we would have camped, but the cabin was cheaper than 2 tents, so no brainer, no brainer. Get deer, 2 of them, 3. Whoa, that's cool. Wildlife. I'm so glad that we got a cabin for tonight. Still recording? Yeah. I have to change batteries soon. And we're soon at our destination for the day. Still a big bike. Got to stop, have a pee, change the battery on the GoPro. We like a lot. Okay, here a twisty road. Next mission now is Bill. brake, battery, again. Oi, oi. Oh, missed that corner completely. First miss of the day. Oh, the smell, manure. Lovely. Oh, almost got sick there. Taken by the winds, taken by the wind. But nice roads, right? Nice roads. I'm hungry. I'm hungry as hell right now. I started talking about food and I got hungry. I'm thirsty, very thirsty. But we need food. We need food. The bird is faffing again. Scenery has been real good today. Seen lots of nice places, and I think tomorrow also will be pretty good. What are we going to make for dinner? Really don't know. Really don't know. Oh, the burger as usual. Imagine if a McDonald's just suddenly popped up. But we're soon there. We got 22 k's left. Oh, I'm getting tired of this wind. Oh. Nice bridge. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived at our destination. And this is the cabin that we have rented for the night. And Espen was a little bit unlucky down here and dropped his bike. So we have fixed a few things. But yeah, we're going to stay in the cabin for the evening. And we have been to the store to buy beer. And tonight we are taking burgers. So I think we rode about 300 k's today. None of them on gravel, but narrow back roads. We had a really good time. So now we're just going to sit down with a beer because we're quite knackered. So we'll just pop a beer and I'll talk to you shortly. Finally, that time of day again. Beer o'clock. No damage done. Espen dropped his bike. Spills his beer. Were you happy, Espen?
Happy. Got to fix it.
Short, but yeah.
Happy.
Nice campground. and 28 euros for one night in a cabin. That's very cheap. So burgers tonight. So ladies and gents, it's time to say goodbye from day 2 of our spring trip for 2023. We're sitting over in a small cabin, have made dinner, burgers, it's warm, burgers and pita bread, and yeah, watching football and having a beer. So if you like today's video, give it a like, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. It's free. And ding that notification bell. My name is Thomas, simple guy on 2 wheels, with my brother Espen. See you in the next one. Look out for episode 3 from this trip. It's gonna be epic. Bye. Good night.